brand new, better than OEM leather for your 30-plus-year-old car. Custom seat belts to match. We're here to refurbish everything on these interiors that we can to make these cars look newer today. And it's after hours, so apologies for the darkness and the buzzing lights. I'm packaging something to go out to a customer, and I get to go home and do emails. It's about 6:30. But while I was doing that, I just want to show you guys a lot of our new products that we have that help you make your interior look brand new and upgrade it some. So first, we got seat covers. All of our OEM style seat covers are in stock, ready to ship. We now make these, we keep them. This is for an anniversary car that's going out. Notice it's the same 99 style gray. This is not like just some black carpet put on here. These are a little easier because these clip together. I'll show you what else we have in the bag. So this is a rear seat back. You have your other seat bottoms. Again, beautiful stitching. We got the perforation, the same thing OEM had. This is a spot-on match for OEM material color as well. You have your seat top back. This is again for a Trans Am. So we'll have headrests that go with this. These are made so that you can easily reattach your plastic onto the back to keep the exact OEM appearance. If yours is worn, you can always touch it up. They make a lot of spray dyes that work for the plastic. We give you a beautiful seat. Of course, you're gonna get the headrests that go with it as well. I'll show you guys some pictures installed. And this is another top of the seat. So you got 2 pairs of headrests, 2 pairs of seat tops. And of course, you'll have 2 pairs of seat bottoms. Notice these have nice extra padding in here so that it feels really good. You have nice thigh and leg support. It's everything that the Trans Am seats were when they came off the showroom, out of the dealerships, into your driveways and garages 30 years ago. And honestly, with even better material now. So, get everything you need there. But wait, there's more. We also give you door panel inserts. So everyone needs to pull those door panels off and fix that crack. And while you're in there, let's go ahead and put in some new leather. So this is again to match the anniversary style. That's why you see the stitches here on this particular set. But that way your entire interior is covered. You've got your seats covered. You've got your door panels covered. Everything you need to make it look OEM and new again in the OEM colors. Again, we stock everything from 98 to 02. We keep in stock 93 to 97 colors. We can have ready in 2 to 4 weeks. And then we can customize any of this. We can do embroidery, we can do different material inserts and things. But that's not where our interior stopped wearing out. So that's not where we stopped making interior parts. Other companies make floor mats for our cars, and they just never really fit right. Even the old SLP ones had like a cut and a notch and a stitching, and I thought that was silly. So we just make floor mats now that actually were made for the cars, fit the cars. We laser scan the car first, get an actual shape that works well, and then make the floor mats. So this is that passenger side that you're all familiar with. This is a nice piece that just shapes and goes right down into your floor mats. Has our embroidery inside of it, and I think just kind of elevates your car. These are for my car, so I got these black because I'm doing a different interior on that car. But we also make them in the ebony and the graphite and things like that. All of your stock colors, including the tans, the neutrals. That kit also includes some rear floor mats that fit better. These are shaped to our tranny tunnels and stuff a little better. And finally, because our back hatch areas get faded, we have a trophy mat cover. So if you're looking at the back of the car, you would kind of go like this and fold here. And this is just where you would display your trophies and your plaques back in the late 90s and early 2000s because your sound system was right in here. But that includes all of these pieces. So you get the 2 front mats, the 2 rear mats, and the trophy piece, so that even if you didn't change your carpet, you've pretty much covered up all the carpet, short of the tranny tunnel, and everything looks new in there. Finally, seat belts. So it's a pain in the butt, but we have a service where you can send us your seat belts and we will put in new seat belt material. We also make racing harnesses. We also make lots of different things I'll show you. Unlike Sparco, where they only have a 5-year warranty on their their 4-point harness, I think it is. We have a 4-point harness, and it's a lifetime warranty because of the belts. And these are the belts, and we can also customize them. So here you see that we have IROC Motorsports on these. This is 3 of the seat belts that are gonna go into that car. We also make IROC Z versions out of the seat belts. These are slings, so you can use them for a duffel bag. I use them for my drop bag at my side. I'll show you some more of those in a minute. But for this car, I'm gonna do black seat belts, maybe a red driver seat belt, or maybe a red harness. I haven't decided yet. But this is just to show you that we can get the seat belts that you need in any color. We can do any graphics and printing that you want on there for your own custom design, or we can just get a factory seat belt. And you send us your old seat belts and receptacles. We send you back them refurbished with the new belts of your choice. It's very expensive though. Like, it's pretty much like the same price as doing the leather interior kit, then come back and do your seat belts later. We do this through another company that's good at it, so that it's safe and it's warranted, and that's expensive. So, but we can do it. What I've been using it for is different slings. So we did the IROC Z that's kind of like on the side of the door, but we did it in a red, white, and blue sling. Of course, I did black just because I like black. I'm going to do some of the IROC Motorsports in slings as well. So that's it. That's all of the stuff that we've kind of seen gaps in the market for interior refurbishing. Absolutely beautiful, perfect factory covers and factory colors. Easy to install. You can call us if you need help. Floor mats that actually fit the car, that are super nice and plush, and are really just going to bring the car back to life. And then final finishing touches, you know, is just to get in your car and reach back here and pull that across. Maybe it's pull that across. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Speaking of that, we're finally obviously in a new place. We're fabricating the race car stuff here, everything we're doing. You'll see us prototyping on this car. The wide body parts will be here in a couple of days actually. And a lot of this stuff you're seeing is actually for that car. But we're finally settled in. We're trying to get caught up on emails, any old orders for us having to change manufacturing processes. And in the meantime, we're still trying to level up the company. We're doing other things like our IROC Z program, pardon the gator tooth, I'm from Florida. You know, like dog tags that show IROC Motorsports, but when you scan the QR code, it goes to your registry to show your IROC car. So if you meet someone out and about, you can always hand them one and be like, here's my info, give it back to me when we get together. But we also just have like QR code bracelets so people can just scan you. I'll just do a whole merch video section because clearly we're finally trying to we finally have enough help that we can actually do these other things as well. So yeah, give us another month or two and we should be running full steam. In the meantime, I'm just gonna show you things as I'm able to get them out the door at like 6:30 and still make FedEx at 7. So yeah, I'll just keep doing videos like this. We got a whole bunch of taillights sitting over here about to go out. So tomorrow I'll show you a bunch of taillights. In the meantime, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. You can send us this cool little sample when we were picking what colors and stuff we were using. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, those were our full seat covers. I just wanted to give you guys some close-ups, and I'll take some pictures and do some other stuff, but they just feel so good in your hands. And like the padding that's added back here is like substantial, and we account for it so it still fits tight and nice when it's on the seat. But man, it's just really pretty. Like, I know that we're slow sometimes, but it's solely because I'm kind of OCD and autistic when it comes to these parts, and I want to make sure that we're not sending garbage, but you know, we're trying our best to make sure we send the nicest thing we can that elevates your car, and now do it in a much quicker manner. Now we're not working out of my garage. Now we are partnered with CMJ Racing and Technologies, and we have a home and we're using it, and things are gonna get quicker and better. I'm gonna keep showing you new stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Again, tomorrow morning I'll go and shoot the taillights when I have better daylight and hopefully less buzz, but I need to get on the ladder and figure that and fix that out probably. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, let me know anything you want to let me know. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me. As you can see, we're ready to roll now. I'm going to start rolling things out, showing you stuff, and hopefully you'll see parts locally on cars at car shows this summer. So thanks guys.